that screw there, take it out, the screwdriver. This one's not. A lot of them aren't. On this model, if you've watched the other videos, the only difference is the configuration button is right here. Hold that down. When you come in here, it'll be on 1. Okay, so you want to turn it down, the bottom button here, to 0. Go to the power button, turn it off. Then put this back on so you can see the buttons, what they are. Like they do with one hand. Oh, it's upside down. That would help. You guys should need to tell me when I do stuff like that. Okay, now the fan button goes from low to high, which is what the only 2 choices you have if it's set to 1. When you turn it to 0, it adds in 2 more choices, which are not working. Do I have that on there right? There you go. Low, high, and with the fan spinning right there, now you have, that means it's going to be continuous. So you have 4 choices: low, high, continuous low, continuous high. Sleep well.